Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lynn local and long-distance movers near me. Are you planning to move homes within Lynn, Massachusetts? Do you want to ensure your move is smooth, hassle-free, and affordable? Consider Lynn Local TM Movers. Moving homes within the city can be just as stressful as moving long distance. You need a moving company that knows the area and can handle your move perfectly. With their local expertise and experience, they can ensure that your move is seamless. 3 Movers understands the unique needs of moving homes within the city, and we offer a range of services to meet those needs. Many people consider long-distance moving one of the most tedious types of moving. But you can reduce the stress of moving within Massachusetts or out of state by hiring a reliable moving company to ensure the safety of your belongings. Lynn Long Distance 3 Movers is the trusted MA movers you can rely on for your moving needs. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lynn Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.